Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really neat accessory for anyone who enjoys flying their DJI Neo drone after the sun goes down, the Night Flight Signal Lights Kit. This is a two-piece set designed specifically to add crucial visibility and a bit of flair to your drone during nighttime operations. Right out of the box, you notice these lights are quite small and have a simple, round shape. They're constructed from a combination of PCB and ABS material, which feels lightweight yet durable enough for drone use. One of the key selling points mentioned is how safe the disassembly and installation process is. It's designed not to cause any damage to the drone's fuselage, which is always a concern when adding third-party accessories. The finish is described as unfinished plastic, which is typical for this type of functional accessory. The core function, of course, is the lighting. These are high-brightness LED lights. What makes them stand out is the red and blue flashing pattern. When you see these strobing simultaneously at night, it definitely adds a cool visual element to the flight. But beyond just looking cool, the high brightness and the distinct flashing pattern serve a vital purpose: navigation and safety. They make your drone much more visible to you and to others in the vicinity, which is absolutely essential for safe night flying, especially considering regulations often require anti-collision lighting. The way these lights attach is quite clever. They're designed to fit snugly onto the drone's body, almost integrating with its shape. The description mentions a clever fit and non-disassembly storage, suggesting they might be able to stay on the drone even when you pack it away, which is super convenient. Installation reliée en adhésif bondant. The product information states this bonding is not easy to fall off, which is reassuring. You would want a light detaching mid-flight. The fact that it uses adhesive also contributes to the safe installation aspect, avoiding clips or clamps that could potentially stress the drone's frame. So, in summary, this two-piece kit provides essential night flight protection through high-visibility red and blue strobe LEDs. They are small, made from durable materials, designed for safe and easy installation via adhesive bonding, fit cleverly onto the fuselage, and offer the potential for non-disassembly storage. The high brightness ensures your drone is seen, and the flashing pattern adds a cool aesthetic touch to your nighttime aerial adventures. It seems like a practical and effective accessory for enhancing safety and enjoyment when flying your DJI Neo after dark.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.